Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth tech reviews. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the world of power supplies with the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V2 Full Modular. If you're building or upgrading your PC, this is a crucial component you won't want to miss. Let's kick things off by talking about the MWE Gold 850 V2. Cooler Master designed this power supply unit to take your PC to the next level, and it comes with some exciting features that you're going to love. First up, we have 80+ gold efficiency. This means you're getting top-notch power efficiency, which translates to less wasted energy and lower electricity bills. It's eco-friendly and wallet-friendly, a win-win. But here's where it gets interesting. The MWE Gold V2 can handle the heat. Cooler Master increased the maximum operating temperature to 50 degrees Celsius. That's higher than its predecessor, ensuring your system stays cool under pressure. One of the standout features is its fully modular design. Those sleek black cables you see? It's like a breath of fresh air for your PC. Nobody wants a noisy PC, right? This fan operates smoothly and quietly, even at low RPMs, keeping noise levels in check while ensuring efficient cooling. Here's something for the tech-savvy folks out there. The MWE Gold V2 includes not one but two EPS connectors. This ensures universal compatibility with current-gen motherboards, making it a versatile choice for your build. In a nutshell, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V2 Full Modular is designed for efficiency, performance, and versatility. It's the ideal choice for those looking to step up to a gold-rated power supply without breaking the bank. That's a wrap on our review of the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V2 Full Modular Power Supply. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews here at Product Critique. I'm your host, signing off. Until next time, keep your PCs powered and your tech game strong.